Welcome everyone. Question on polymer. Monomers of BUNA-S are. Choices are A. Styrene and ethylene, B. Styrene and 1,3-butadiene, C. Phenol and ethanol, D. Ethanol and 1,3-butadiene. Answer is B. Styrene and 1,3-butadiene. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This is 1,3-butadiene and this is styrene. They react to form BUNA-S. Thank you for watching this video.